morning, guys, from Tampa Bay. It is actually a pretty nice morning, 77 degrees and overcast. Super cool, perfect biking weather. It's a little humid because we had a storm roll in last night, but it's still very comfy. So every woman I know right now is glued to the TV watching the royal wedding. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and it started about 5 o'clock Eastern, so a lot of people I know around here have been up for the last 3 hours glued to the TV. I just don't understand it. As a wedding photographer, I completely understand why women go crazy over their own wedding or the wedding of someone they actually know, but I guarantee you 99% of the people watching this thing had no idea who this chick was a year ago. Couldn't possibly care less. So I'm going over today to Clermont, Florida, which is northwest of Orlando, and it's a working tobacco farm. Not too many of those around here, but there is one running, and it's producing what's called the Florida sun-grown tobacco. It's used by a few tobacco companies, and today's event is put on by one of those, Drew Estate Cigars. Basically, this is a big cigar party, and they've got a whole bunch of stuff going on. Today they're running a big fundraiser for Cigars for Warriors, supporting deployed troops, and they have a goal of $10,000 to raise today. So they've got a donation box, and they also have a big raffle going on. So you can buy a whole bunch of raffle tickets to win a whole bunch of Drew Estate gear and cigars and all that kind of good stuff. So I'll, of course, be partaking in that and shooting a bunch of videos. We should have a tour of the working tobacco farm and facilities there. I have not yet been to this farm. Seen some pictures online over the years. The Florida Sun-Grown project is fairly new. They started growing from scratch just a few years ago with the first crop coming to fruition, I want to say a year and a half ago, something like that. And there are just a few lines out globally using it. It's a very interesting tobacco. It's a love it or hate it kind of thing. Pretty much like Cameroon as far as that goes. Not as far as the flavors, but you're going to love it or hate it if you try it for the first time. I like one of them. I've had, I believe, all of the blends that are using it, and I just don't think it worked very well in most of them, but one was interesting enough where I would at least buy it again. So we'll see. They've got some more stuff to try today. They've got some awesome deals. I'll be buying a special sampler they've got for sale and all that kind of good stuff. So we'll just see how the day progresses. I'm not sure exactly what else they've got going on. This is my first time going to it. It's called the Drew Estate Barnsmoker, and they do this around the country at a few of the different American growing farms. This is the only one in Florida. So I'm excited to see how it goes and maybe see some fans there. I don't know if anyone in the group is going to be attending. I don't even know how many people are going to be attending, if this is a really big event like Great Smoke, or if it's just a small thing like a store event. It's kind of a sister to the Drew Estate Cigar Safari, where you can go down to Nicaragua for a week or so and tour all the facilities and all that kind of good stuff. But that's a very small group. That's 15 to 20 people max. So we'll see. Got about an hour and a half left of a ride. Should be a very nice day, at least until the afternoon. Got some rain scheduled, but I'm waterproof. I don't care. Let's go check it out. Well, I made it up here into farm country, and it is a foggy day. Woo! You gotta love little crap hole towns. I'm pretty close here. Had to pee, so pull into, well, the only place in town. Of course, no bathroom. Real sketchy inside. Little farm town. But I always patronize if I'm going to use the facilities. Don't need gas, so I got a diet soda. They can't break a 50, or they won't take a 50, I should say. And any ATM charge under $5 incurs a 50-cent fee, which I know is illegal, but they don't enforce things like that in little dink towns. Luckily, I had a 20, and he grudgingly took that. Horsies! Beautiful country out here. A lot of people don't know that central northern Florida is quite hilly and a lot of farms. A lot of horses. Oh, are you kidding me? That is not the right way. Okay. Time to pull over and recheck the directions. That's not a road. Reminds me of the Office episode. It says to turn here. No, Michael, that's a lake. Okay, that road it shows there is just like a private trail. That's not a road. So the GPS didn't know that. We got to go just up a bit. County Road 561. Follow that all around. Okay. We're getting there. Yeah, they're definitely lost. They're breaking at every road too. It's not just you. They should have put something like that in the instructions, because they have to know that all the GPSs are going to be screwed up. Alright, now I'm getting a little pissed off. Might have to switch GPSs here. Maybe that's where they're going. I'm just winging it, because nothing is giving me... that's the right road. Nothing is giving me a right route. I don't know if it's just because this is a private road and it's not on Corona Farm. Yeah, that's definitely it. God, that was terrible. They really needed instructions in there for directions. Ooh, loamy wet sand. This is fun. We'll see how many people dress appropriately. There was a little fine line in there that says, this is a working farm, dress appropriately. Which means closed-toed shoes, be prepared for muck and dirt and dust. And it's rained here, so it's going to be a lot of mud. I got boots, so I'm okay. Oh yeah, sport tires in slick mud. Whee! Oh boy. Good thing I just washed the bike. Looks like a bog up ahead. Well, I need to find the low point so I don't freaking go down. I think I'll go up on the grass. Wow, big turnout. That's cool. Definitely not a small event. I'm about 10 minutes early, so right on time. What do you want to bet? I'm the only motorcycle here. Okay. I'm going to park in a high spot. Really don't feel like getting in that mud. We'll see how packed this ground is. Looks pretty good. Hell no. Oh boy. Let's see. Do I have anything? No, of course I didn't bring my puck. Let's go find another spot. Or a piece of wood or anything to help stabilize this. Let's try this. Looks a little firmer. Hell no. Okay. Yeah. Plan C, I guess. What's that? Piece of rubber. Actually, it's PVC. That might work alright. Just make sure. Okay.
You guys ready to get your hands dirty?
Oh yeah.
If not, I got gloves.
Well, the bike stayed upright. I'm cutting out a little bit early because there is a huge thunderstorm coming. Lightning starting to strike real close, and the bands show about 10 minutes away. And I will be stuck here if it starts raining, if it gets any muddier. Had a great time. Thank you to Drew Estate for the invite. Great seeing everybody, meeting more fans. Now it's time to go home. Well, that worked out. I stayed just ahead of the storm. All I caught was refreshing little sprints here and there. See you next time, guys.